Okay. All right, guys. Support.
Support.
SOHL Rebels.
SOHL Rebels.
3, 2, 1. SOHL Rebels. All right. Oh, okay. Hold on. Can I do that again?
Yeah.
All right.
Getting to know SOHL Rebels video trailer.
Take one.
Take one.
All right. Are you wanting to make workout a priority for you and your family? If so, you've come to the right channel. I'm Brett.
I'm Jenna.
I'm Diesel.
And we're SOHL Rebels.
Exercise and health is our passion, and we've experienced the contrast of having health issues and injuries and understand the challenges that you face throughout this transitional journey.
We enjoy creating time-efficient workouts for the entire family that we're going to be posting weekly.
Our purpose is to spread the importance of family self-care through exercise, working out at home with affordable equipment and minimal time.
So please smash that subscribe button and notification bell when new videos post.
All right, guys. I think that was perfect.
Yeah, that was perfect.
What do you
like
think?
we didn't mess up.
Can we go through it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just
are
do it
you guys
just one
reading
more
off of
time.
this? Because I'm not even looking at that.